Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how we can boot your PC or start your PC in safe mode on Windows 11. First press your Windows key and type settings and click on this settings icon here. Now click on system, scroll down and you'll see recovery. Click on recovery. Now at the bottom of recovery options you will see advanced startup. Click on restart now and it will ask you for your confirmation. So just click restart now and your PC will restart. Once restarted you'll see these options. Just click on troubleshoot and click on advanced options. Now click on startup settings and you will be shown these things. Just click on restart. Now you will see options that says enable safe mode on number 4 and enable safe mode with networking on number 5 and enable safe mode with command prompt on number 6. So you can click 4, 5 or 6 according to whatever you need. For most cases you can just click on 4 and your computer will be started in safe mode. To get out of safe mode, just restart your PC and you will be out of safe mode. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.